Hi, I am Rajendra Kulkarni. We will see how Python script is converted to executable program. We can see here a diagram which simplifies the explanation. When we create a script file with an extension .py that goes to compiler, from compiler converts our source file into Python bytecodes which has a file extension .pyc. All these three steps are platform independent. The bytecode is converted into a program using PVM, which is Python virtual machine. PVM executes the bytecode for the platform on which we are running the script. PVM is installed by default when we install Python. Thank you.